So I got over 700 students on my game development courses, and in this video I want to show you my techniques to achieve this. So first of all, let me quickly show you the courses that I have created for the platform, okay? So I created a total of 5 courses. 2 of them are paid, and I made them specifically for this kind of new project, which are these 2. Create a complete 2D Endless Runner game in Go.4, which as you can see is over 6 hours long, okay? And also, if you use the link down below, you're going to be able to buy this course at something like $12, I believe it is. So it's going to be mostly a 75% discount. So I really recommend that you use the link in the description down below if you want to buy the course. As you can see, it right now has over 20 students, even though it has been posted something like 2 months ago. So indeed, it is getting quite attention here in the platform. And then, well, the other paid course that I published something like just a couple of weeks ago and got just 5 students because I think it was posted 1 week ago or something like that. So it was quite amazing. It is a much longer course, mostly a 22-hour course on how to create a 2D RPG game in Unity 6, okay? And once again, you can buy it at a pretty cheap price. I think it's going to be something like $10 by using the link in the description down below, which will automatically enter a discount code, okay, a promo code. And then I also created 3 free courses, okay. Sorry, here there's a 3rd course that this didn't went as well. It is just how to create games in Godot using the mobile version of it. And then these other 2 free courses, okay, which are also the same ones that you're going to be able to find in here in YouTube for free, okay? So once you understand this, how you're going to actually be able to get students into your course. And this is going to be useful for either if you yourself want to become an instructor, or if you just want to entertain yourself a little bit and you're curious about this. So basically for this, there are lots of techniques. First of all, the platforms themselves, they have their own marketplace, so they do market your course automatically. And to be honest, most of the sales that I got have come completely from the platform itself, from the marketing that the platform did, okay? Because I am not a huge content creator with thousands of subscribers, I have not run any kind of ads or anything like that yet. So indeed, most of the sales came directly from the marketplace. That's why I put a lot of effort into creating like maybe a good name, a good description, and putting good data in all of these fields, just to try to make the course as intuitive as possible once you enter the platform. So indeed, the main thing that you have to focus in is in creating good titles, good subtitles, good thumbnails, good introduction videos, okay? Here, as you can see, I was explaining kind of all the things. So you do have to pay a lot of attention to this. If you want to dig deeper, just go to the course landing page. Once again, the link is in the description down below. You can check all these things for complete free. And well, I just try to explain all these things. They are as well as possible to try to keep the student engaged and to lastly make it enroll inside of the course. And the other way in which I did try to bring some traffic, that I did have some students that come from it, was through social media, through my 10K YouTube channel that you are in right now. So here what I do, so let me go to any of these videos. And well, you always find here my game development courses, so you find here these links. So for example here, I think, no, I'm not going to be able to go to this right now, but let's try here to copy the link address and open it up. Because they are on Opera GX, I have my instructor account, so I would be directly redirected to the instructor dashboard, and we don't care about that. Yes, I want to go to the site, and let's try to be over here. Yes, here you have it. The coupon code was not applied for some reason, but it should have a coupon code. Here it is now, I believe, because the link that wasn't correct. So here we have 70% off. So here it is the correct, well, not the correct price, but the discounted price. So well, basically I got some of these students basically from YouTube promotion. So sometimes people just go to the description and check these things out. I also have this stuff directly here on the links, okay? as you can see, in which I should also add the Unity course. But once again, I have not put that much effort in marketing it on the YouTube channel, because at the beginning I did create some kind of videos that I put a short fragment at the end. It's okay, yes, if you want to learn Go go and buy the course, but well, I don't have that huge audience that can actually be redirected to Udemy itself. So well, that's basically was my experience, and as once again, as most of the sales directly came from the platform, and those sales have directly to do with your titles, your description, etc. Well, I did put a lot of effort into, for example, creating a good course curriculum, perfectly divided into easy to follow sections, into writing a good engaging description, etc. So basically, I did want to make that clear. So this is once again my experience. If you find other video of other game developer that has created courses, or if you send them a DM or wherever, they may have a different experience, okay? But well, this is mine, and I just wanted to share it with you. Once again, if you just wanted to entertain yourself a little bit, to know these hidden facts or hidden stuff that happens, or even if this could be useful for you when you become an instructor, okay? So once again, this is all, and I hope we can see each other in the next one. Bye bye.